What did you do different this time compared to last time? Like, because first transfer it was not
Positive
successful.
mindset.
Your mindset changed.
I had a lot of negative thing in my mind, so now it's all like I'm all fine, so I don't have any negative thoughts now.
How did you do that?
Huh?
Like, what helped in this positive?
I knew I can do it. Like last time, I had other commitments and all, so
Okay.
I used to go for work and all. So this time I thought this is my priority. I need a baby. I need a life. I need to give birth to a life. That is what I want. Being a mother is something really very good thing, which everybody actually experiences or hated. And now when I'm experiencing, I'm really grateful to some people in my life who are actually helping me. Mostly you, doctor.
Hello everyone. So welcome back to the series of IVF tips. We have a lovely couple, Shetties. She's about 35 years of age, and they had come to us almost a year back, I think, and we had done proper evaluation. We had tried IUI cycles also for them. She was a case of PCO with non-consanguineous marriage and with non-consummation. They were being married for almost 7 years, yeah. And her basic reports were fine, both of theirs, but they had repeated hysteroscopic polypectomies being done because of endometrial polyp. After IUIs had failed, then we decided to go for IVF. We had done the transfer, and unfortunately, it was a failure. But we had embryos more, so we did hysteroscopy, found that there was chronic endometritis, treated the infection part of it, and then we transferred 2 beautiful embryos, and now she's pregnant. And today we saw the heartbeat. So just wanted to do like a part of this series to ask few tips from her, which will encourage other couples who are trying IVF. What special did she do? What she ate? And if she wants to tell us how it was and how everything went. So yes, darling, tell me, how was your journey when you started IVF? How did you feel?
Yeah, so when I started my journey, it was all fine, but there were a lot of questions, so many doubts in my mind that is it going to be a positive this time? Whatever you said, I followed the same thing. I had a bed rest for 2 days, and after that, I was like all normal. The first 3 weeks, 4 weeks, it went really well. I was very, very active. I used to eat everything, whatever I want. I eat, early morning, I eat walnut, then badam, and then I have a daily routine. So I hear a lot of mantras, chanting. I started chanting and all. So this was like it was for almost 3-4 weeks. Then 5th week onwards, there was a little bit of ups and downs. I went for a walk and something happened, and then I was really scared. So I thought, okay, let me be at home and let me be on a bed rest.
This is after the pregnancy result.
Yeah. So after that, like I started getting so many symptoms, like vomiting sensation. That's
before
the
you were scared. Where is the pregnancy symptom? Why am I not feeling anything?
Yeah. Now,
but what did you do different this time compared to last time? Like, because first transfer it was not
positive
successful.
mindset.
Your mindset changed.
I had a lot of negative thing in my mind, so now it's all like I'm all fine, so I don't have any negative thoughts now.
How did you do that?
Huh?
Like, what helped in this positive?
I knew I can do it. Like last time, I had other commitments and all, so
Okay.
I used to go for work and all. So this time I thought this is my priority. I need a baby. I need a life. I need to give birth to a life. That is what I want. Being a mother is something really very good thing, which everybody actually experiences or hated. And now when I'm experiencing, I'm really grateful to some people in my life who are actually helping me. Mostly you, doctor. You're always there with me. Alpana sister, whenever I message her, she'll be like always. She'll message me back with a reply and all. That gives me a positive thing actually. Then, I eat normal food and all.
No special diet.
So I stopped
That's
eating
some secret.
junk. No, I stopped eating junk food. And only home food, no ginger garlic, nothing.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Only home
But that is
food.
good, no, yeah.
I'm scared of anything which generates heat for my body.
Okay.
So I have a heat generation body. So I thought, okay, let me eat something which cools down my body. So I started eating those vegetables which I don't like also.
Mm.
So which I like, I don't eat now because I get that fish feeling a lot.
You,
Yes.
how are you eating which you don't like?
I have to because watermelon is what I eat daily, and now when I eat that, I can't tolerate.
So what is not suiting your body, you're
Yeah.
avoiding it,
Yeah.
though you like it. So
Yes.
what, even if you don't like it, but it is suiting your body and you're feeling nice and it is healthy for you, you're having those.
Yes.
Okay. And are you now on complete bed rest after pregnancy result or after transfer?
I watch movies and all that sort.
But you're on bed only.
Yeah.
Mostly on that.
Mostly on bed rest. Okay. Now you'll start walking and you'll start
Maybe
being
you have to tell me. He has to take me out.
I can take, but you are afraid of going out.
Okay. And how important is it to have family support and husband support?
Yeah, it is very much important.
So we blessed to have nice husband who comes, ask questions and be a part of it. It is important.
Yeah. He always asks questions.
Okay, this is becoming another husband series now. Okay, but otherwise it is important. It's nice when husband accompanies a couple, a wife. Couple come together and then stays with the treatment at every step and all. It gives a lot of confidence to women. Alva.
Say,
Say, he is waiting. Okay, fine.
He doesn't
So
express.
anything-
He doesn't express, but the thing is, now he has to start expressing. He has to understand what I feel.
Feel.
About.
True. He'll learn. Now he's also entering the fatherhood stage, so things will change. Okay. So anything you want to tell apart from the positive mindset and to eat healthy and to communicate with partners, husbands have to communicate and express. Apart from this, anything else you want to add?
Yeah. So what I do is like I even though I feel lazy, but whatever time I get, I try to utilize that time. Maybe I started stitching. So that's how you can keep your mind
So you have
engaged.
cultivated
Yeah.
hobbies.
Most importantly, keep chanting mantra. That will actually help a lot. And then, if possible, daily basis, whatever we faced, or like say whatever we have undergone, just write it down.
Journaling.
Affirmation.
Mm.
I started doing affirmation. I started writing, see, you are healthy. You are going to support me a lot. That's what is helping me a lot. I've never told him, but I do that affirmation.
And it is helping you.
It is helping me, but sometimes I go low
Mm.
because when I get stomachache or when I vomit a lot, I feel, is it really hurting my baby or something? So
Anxiety and
Yeah.
how you have to manage this and that.
anxiety, no.
Feelings.
Now it is like reduced. Yeah.
Because you were very anxious.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Thank you so much. So we'll get back with another patient, another new story.